Imagine if you could take your 3% interest rate on a home mortgage with you wherever your career takes you. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's now on the government's radar thanks to a concept called portable mortgages. Welcome to Business Athletes, the show where sport, finance, and entrepreneurship collide. I'm your host, Jedediah Collins, former NFL player, certified financial planner, and your fullback of finance. Today, we're talking about a game-changing idea that could revolutionize the way athletes and all homebuyers approach real estate. Let's unpack what a portable mortgage could mean for athletes and why it could be a major move in our housing game. Right now, many homeowners who refinanced at ultra low rates during the pandemic are locked in to a 4, 5, 3, or even 2% interest rate on a 30-year home loan. With mortgage rates today being closer to 6.5%, moving to a new home often means giving up this amazing rate and starting all over at a higher interest. This lock-in effect keeps people in their current homes and creates less mobility, which then means fewer homes for sale and higher prices for those homes. A portable mortgage, if made widely available, would let you carry your original low-interest loan to your new home. Think of it like trading in your old car but keeping the same interest rate on the new one that you're buying. Pretty game-changing, right? Why is this so impactful today for the broader economy is that it could unlock a tight housing market, giving families and especially athletes the flexibility to move without losing their low rate, saving thousands in interest and fees, and opening up more homes on the market for everyone. Why is this gaining attention right now? Well, the government and policymakers are eyeing this idea because of today's housing affordability crisis. Skyrocketing prices, rising interest rates, and the pressure to move quickly are huge hurdles for homebuyers. While ideas like the 50-year mortgage have come up and at some point are trying to solve the problem, they're not going to be the answer. A 50-year mortgage means the longer time period would rack up a tremendous amount more in interest costs. The individuals would build their equity much slower in their homes, and 50 years of debt, that's pretty overwhelming. Enter the conversation around portable mortgages. This idea could be a solution that truly helps people buy, sell, and move without penalty, especially athletes with careers marked by relocations and fast changes. The impacts this could have specifically for business athletes. Number one, more flexibility. Athletes get traded, they get cut 13 times, or signed in a new city overnight. If they've got a home, they're often stuck with a high rate mortgage or just their current mortgage on a home they already have in the current city. That does not allow them to move freely. Portable mortgages would allow them to keep their current interest rate, hopefully a low one, no matter where they go, giving them the freedom to own a home earlier and manage their wealth better. Yes, home ownership has led to wealth creation over the long term, while we all know Rich Dad Poor Dad still says it's not an asset, which we agree on the short term, it does take money out of our pockets. Reason number two this could help business athletes is maximizing peak earnings. Most athletes earn their biggest income in their early 20s and 30s and are looking for places to park that dollar as well as see it as an investment. A portable mortgage lets them lock in a low rate when they're young, then take that rate with them as they build their portfolio either for more investment properties or long-term wealth creation. It allows the opportunity to get into this asset class, no longer being limited by the mortgage. Reason number three could help business athletes is it reduces the pressure to sell fast. If you are traded or cut, many athletes panic sell their properties, often at a loss. One of the big issues with home ownership is the illiquidity. You cannot get your money out until you sell it. That's not a short process, and you still need to find a buyer. With a portable mortgage, athletes could simply move their loan or rent out their old home without losing their favorable rate or without even needing to sell the property at all. It's about stability during career volatility. Why this matters for all home buyers. While athletes might benefit the most, portable mortgages could help anyone who values mobility, teams relocating, executives moving cities, or families with changing needs. Remember, like any financial tool, a portable mortgage needs to be used wisely, assessing contract stability, career plans, and long term goals. That's it for today's episode of Business Athletes. If the idea of carrying your mortgage with you sounds appealing, share this episode with a teammate, a mentor, or any athlete looking to stay flexible and build wealth for the future. I'm Jedediah Collins, reminding you, own your career, own your assets, and always think ahead. Speak money and stay empowered. Enjoy the day.